Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Kucoin token. As always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead, hop right in. First levels we can see are our swing high and our swing low. This is the highest point price has reached and the lowest point price has reached. Now we also notice a key level right here. And as always, color coordinate our levels to the time frame we're working in. So we see price come up and reverse drastically, and we see price reacting to the same level now as support, where here rejected as resistance, here price is holding the level as support. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. Now here on the weekly we can see more clearly how price is reacting to this key level here, and we also notice a level right here. So let's plot it on our chart. Color coordinate it to the time frame we're working in, and what do we see? We notice a reaction here, rejections as support, and we see reactions here and here, rejections as support. Sorry, I meant to say resistance here. 3 reactions to resistance, and we see 2 reactions to support here before price broke right through. Now, if we look at our most recent price action, we can notice a key level of resistance here. This price came down and established a level here as support before breaking down. As price reversed and came back up to this level, we seen a reaction and price rejected it, acting now as resistance. So we also see over here price reacting to the level as support, and over here reacting to the level as support. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to draw in a zone so it is more clear to see that price reacts in this general area as support, as we see 1, 2, and we also notice a long wick here reacting to the level, and we see a reaction as resistance, which is quite obvious on our most recent price action. So, excuse me. So, what else do we notice? Well, we can see a key level right here. As price came up and reversed drastically on this obvious level, we notice multiple reactions to the same level. Long wicks, multiple reactions, acted as resistance and support. So, as price continues to climb up, we're going to expect and plan for reactions from all of these levels as it climbs up, if it climbs up. So those are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys got any value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.